respawn.
What you gotta do, you gotta get there first. So it's P90.
Alright guys, get ready, get ready. We're gonna start here in a second.
Shut up, Zach. First I'm gonna stand here and make sure my gun shoots.
Hey, start back here. Start back here.
Yeah, they're ready.
Right there, right there. That's good, that's good.
Both sides ready? Go, go, go! Where's the boundaries in the village?
Remember guys, your box.
As long as they don't go past the back boxes, we're okay. Okay.
Remember guys, the box, the objective. Thing doesn't want to wind, does it?
What?
Press your button down and wind it some more. Move up, Josh, and mack it. Dude, go mack it. Remember guys, the box! Josh, grab out your Mac 11 and just mack it, bro. Your box, guys! Now it's working, man. You're aiming way too high, though. He's out! Back there to respawn. No one's grabbed your box yet, guys, so you might want to go grab that. Yep, just go right back there. Oh! Oh, that bounced off your gun, didn't it? Go right here, and then you respawn with him, since he's the second guy.
The respawns have to go to the net, and they have to have 2 guys come in at a time.
Alright, you guys have to go to the net, I guess, and then come in. No, they're coming out of there. 2 guys at a time. Huh? They can take the box, right?
No, not till 6 minutes are up.
Alright, not till 6 minutes are up, guys. Bring it back. I thought he said 6 minutes, but... After they have to wait till after the 6 minutes is up, then they can take it.
Brandon, how's the fight in the village? Not that good of a fight. How many are alive on each team? Tough to say. Have more people joined the fight, or are they losing numbers? A couple more people have joined the fight, yeah. Not for really the pink team, but... We got a minute 30 before they can take the box. Okay. Headshot!
Mac it, bro.
Gonna have to.
Gun's insane, dude. I don't even walk up. He's it!
You got about 25 seconds till you can grab the box. Seconds till you grab the box. 10 seconds till they can grab the box.
Yep.
He's out!
Grab the box and go. Grab the box and go. Take that box. Brock, you got center here. Come take center here, and I'm going to go to the village. Yeah, it looks like it's about to get a little bit crazy.
Back there, you gotta wait till you have 2 people at that spot. Ref coming through! Ref coming through! Dang, bro.
When the box gets in the castle, correct? You must get to your second story of the building. Is it close? At that complex right there.
You're doing work over here, AP.
What?
Doing work over here.
Yeah. Something happened when Garrett put my gun together. The BBs are flying everywhere, but I've killed 2 guys and got a headshot, so I'm fine with it.
Gotta fix aimbot much?
Yeah. I got no stop, so it's... Guys,
Dang. Yeah, that's good. Fight back with him.
so inconvenient, that line that keeps blocking all my shots. Not a good idea.
That's pretty long range for a pistol there, buddy. You guys can move up all the way to this line, just so you know. Man, I love that AK. It's so fancy. Ouch!
Not hit yet. I'm just scared. Oh no.
Use that LMG, man. Snipe.
That's totally got you, bro.
That guy's coming out on the left. Don't shoot him.
Okay.
Left side, he's coming out. Don't shoot him. Coming to videotape you. Pretty sweet gun. Dang.
Can I run back and get ammo? 'Cause I'm out.
Yeah, just do it quick.
Wait, you need crossers?
No. Just remember they spawn right there, so. The gun's fancy. The drum mag does it all. Hey, you're hit, bro. Thank you. Nice shot. Hey guys, give him a little space. Back up here. Tygan, just stay back here. Give him a little space.
Can you shoot behind that caution line?
No. Guys, you might as well just go help your team in the village.
Tyler, look, remember there's guys are over there.
Look how people down here.